So when we're asleep, there's quiescence of the cardiovascular system that is tied to this daily rhythm in the autonomic nervous system. Okay. Now, some of that is directly programmed by the clock itself. Some of it is tied to the function of neurons that are regulating sleep, but they're intertwined. Okay. So the quiescence of the autonomic nervous system during sleep is another feature of the day-night rhythms that emanate from the brain and are transmitted to the body. And then in the peripheral organs, if we look using molecular genetic techniques, and the liver is one of the places because it's easy to study where this has been done extensively in Joe's lab, and others have led the charge in this. You could, if you look at the how gene expression rhythms change over the 24-hour day, you can see that thousands of genes that are expressed in the body, and if you take the liver as an example, actually vary over a very close day-night cycle. So 24-hour periodicity, thousands of genes are expressed, and of those, more than 10% exhibit day-night variation. Okay. And in the liver, if you look at those factors that are exhibiting this day-night variation, and they're enriched in factors controlling metabolism, intermediary metabolism. So most of the enzymes involved in what we call, mitochondrial respiration or the digestion of nutrients of each class, proteins, lipids, etc. These are all processes that are very tied to this 24-hour periodicity and the clock in the liver. And the same is true across other tissues, such as adipose tissue, where heat generation occurs in a 24-hour cycle, or muscle, where exercise capacity varies very much according to when in the cycle one, studies exercise capacity.